Need to update your Chromecast firmware? Here's a quick and easy guide to help you do it. Open Chromecast settings. First, grab your remote and go to the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Navigate to System Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to Find System. Click on it to open more options. Find the System Update option. Under System, go to About. Here you'll see the option for System Update. This is a crucial step to ensure your Chromecast runs smoothly. Start by navigating to the Settings menu on your device. Once there, look for the System Update option and click on it. If an update is available, you will see a prompt. Make sure your Chromecast is connected to a stable internet connection. The update will then begin to download automatically. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the download is complete, the installation will start. Your Chromecast may restart during this process. After the update, your device will be running the latest software, ensuring optimal performance and new features. While the update is in progress, do not unplug your TV or Chromecast. It is crucial to let the process complete fully to avoid any potential issues. Interrupting the update can cause serious problems, such as software corruption or device malfunction. Make sure your TV and Chromecast remain connected to a stable power source, and do not turn off the TV. Patience is key here. Allow the update to finish smoothly to ensure your device functions optimally. This step is essential for a successful update. And that's it. Your Chromecast is now updated to the latest firmware version. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and updates.